want to solve a problem here, given that y equals to x bracket x plus 1 square, that we have to calculate the maximum value of y. So to be able to calculate the maximum value of y, what we'll do, we have given the equation y is equals to x in bracket x plus 1 whole square. When you expand this bracket, you will have x in bracket x square plus 2x plus 1, close the bracket. How did I get this? You square this one, which will give you this time, this will give you what is at the middle, square 1 to give you 1. So by implication, open that bracket by expanding. So this will be x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x square and then plus x. It means that y is equals to x cubed plus 2x square plus x. So having gotten this one, we can now try solving this by differentiation. dy over dx is equals to 3x square then plus 4x plus 1. So having gotten this one, what we'll do first of all is that at a point at dy over dx equals 0, this will be 3x square plus 4x plus 1 all equals to 0. So we solve this one quadratically. And to solve this one quadratically, what will happen is that this time this, that will give us what? 3x square. What are the factors of this? That when you add, you subtract to give you what is at the middle, which is this. Then this will be 3x square plus 3x plus x plus 1 all equals to 0. So it means that to resolve it, the factors is 3 and 1. So you can factor 3x here, so that you have 3x in bracket x plus 1, and then you have plus 1 in bracket x plus 1 all equals to 0. So having gotten this one, what we'll do is to solve it. This and this are the same, so this will be 3x plus 1 in bracket another bracket x plus 1 all equals to 0. So having done this one, then by implication, this will be 3x plus 1 equals to 0, or x plus 1 equals to 0. Then you can now resolve this to have x equals to minus 1 over 3, or x equals to minus 1. So with this one, we can be able to trace and find our the maximum point. And to be able to do this one, this is what we will do. What we will do here is this. We will take the second derivative of this. Since dy over dx equals to 3x square plus 4x plus 1, let's find dy square over dx square, which is the same thing as 6x plus 4. So at x equals to minus 1, you will find out that dy square over dx square will be equals to 6 open bracket minus 1 plus 4, which definitely will give us minus 2. This value is less than 0. Then the next one is at x equals to minus 1 over 2, then dy over dx is equals to 6 bracket minus 1 over 3 and then plus 4. This definitely will be the same thing as 3 here 1, 3 here will give us 3. So this will give us minus 3 when you multiply by minus 1 plus 4, which is equals to 1, and the value is greater than 0. So by implication, the maximum value of y is plus 1. So that's how we calculate the maximum value of y from this question that is given to us. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.